At the top right corner, go to Share, Download. You can choose the file type that you want to print. I usually stick with PDF standard or PDF print. And then if you click Download, this will automatically save to your computer, and then you can print that file from your computer. If you want a professional service where you can print professionally, you can also come to Share and then Print with Canva. You can choose the type of product that you want to print. So you can go through all these options below. Choose the one that looks best for you. Let's say I want to print a hoodie. So then Canva will automatically format this into the best possible design. And you can preview the design by clicking on the images below. You can format these options to whatever you want, color, size, how many you need, and then you can click on Continue, and you can either add this to your cart or you can click Buy Now. So then it'll ask you to fill in your card information, your delivery address, and then you can place the order. So this process right here to print with Canva is entirely optional. You do not have to do this option. This is just a alternative option if you're looking to print something. Let's say if you're doing a print on demand and you want to directly print with Canva and you do not want to choose any other print on demand vendor, you can certainly give print with Canva a try. But again, this is optional. It is not required. Usually people just stick to the download option and then download the file to their computer to print themselves. So it's really up to you how you want to print your design, but that's how you print with Canva. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comments section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.